Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is the video that we installed the Plenum spacer. Now I'm here from the future telling you guys what the video is about. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to give this a like. I did kind of a review and an install of the video, so please, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Without further ado, let's travel back 3 days when I started this video. Almost forgot. Huge shout out to my friend Ross for helping me in this video install my Plenum spacer. He basically did it all, so huge shout out to him. And yeah, let's take a nice look at this honeycomb. And 3, 2, 1. This is what we do at school. Check this out. Oh. Plane today has come in for a reflex. Oh shit. Did you move it? Okay, now she's doing me. Go ahead, doctor. Please me. Me and my girlfriend were in the elevator and the elevator opened and it was just a patient with his robe walking out the elevator. They just walking out here like they own this place out here, like they're not even hurt. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Girl, you making me horny. No, that's not how it goes. Oh shit, hold on. Cold start up here in the iPhone 11s Max 30 Elite. Oh yeah, baby. Satisfying moment once again. 3, 2, 1. Lift. Oh man, that was great. All right guys, so today we're gonna go install the Plenum spacer later at night with my friend. You guys are like, at night, BeDistinct, what the frig? We can't see shit in it. Don't worry guys, I got more lights here than heaven. We got hella lights here in the garage. We're gonna light it up for you guys. If I don't get to sleep, none of you fuckers get to sleep. It's hustle time. It's hustle time. All right guys, when we come back, we're really gonna make a loud one. But G looks nice. Next to that Evo, damn, that thing's sick, bro. Honestly. When I see you again, baby. I think I just made a mistake. I parked and I forgot they do valet parking at my school, and well, I'm blocked. All right, guys, we're gonna warm up the car. But do you guys do the starter package? Like step on it a little bit. Here. Oh shit! Fuck, that was loud. Holy shit! Oh shit. Okay, now that's just annoying at that point. Okay. Hey guys, there was no food, so I got a spoon right here. I'm about to make some heat right now for you guys. Check this out. Let me know if you guys like this stuff. Frosted Flakes. Okay. Hey guys, real quick, we grabbed some red RTV high temp gasket maker. We're gonna need this for the Plenum spacer later on. But yeah, got your stuff at Walmart. It was only like $4, I think. So, bingo! Now we're here at wrong one. Michael's, because we're gonna pick up a small something that I want to put in my car. As a special something you guys will see right now. We're gonna go inside and pick it up. But every time I come to Michael's, I feel artistic and creative as fuck. You know, like the black ones? Black ones? Do you have black ones?
We have like stickers.
Yeah, that'll work.
Yeah.
Guys, this intake is pretty sick. You can hear it. Like once you're going a little bit faster, like I would say 45, you can really hear it. And if I let it go, you know, it's like it sounds really cool. I know you guys probably already know this shit, but I don't know, it's just the first time for me, you know, so it's like pretty exciting. Let me see if I can do it right now. Give some space. Oh shit. Look. I don't know if you guys heard it there. God, oh fuck, I gotta turn left. I was gonna turn left that lane, but I saw a cop and ASAP go to the street before. It's weird because I come here in the middle and there's always these cats. You saw those cats from last video? They're always here. Look at this motherfucker. Hey, what's up, little bro? Hey. Here's my thing. Here's the move right now. I went to go buy the stickers because back here, I don't know if you guys saw on my Instagram, I'm going to be putting Kobe, bro. We gotta put him, you know, this is my hard work, man. This is what I work for. This is what I do. But he's the one who taught me how to work hard, man, you know. One of my inspirations. So I'm gonna put him right here. Kobe 824. All right, guys, we just unpackaged the letters and we set it up. Boom, dude. Tell me that isn't dope. All right, so it looks like we're just gonna eye it here. I don't know how my car gets so freaking dirty from the back, bro. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen, it is done. There you go. I know it isn't, you know, I know maybe some of you guys may say, oh, that doesn't look good there or whatever, but honestly, it's not even about that. Y'all looking at the wrong picture. I swear you better not bite me, cousin. I know you want to be. Damn, you hella cuddly, huh? What's your problem here? You trying to get a concussion? What does that even mean, bro? I don't speak cat. Peace. Bro, why you playing like that with me right now, bro? Get in. Oh, you hear that in the front? Look, it's like a tornado. Look, listen. You hear it? In the front?
Yes, I do.
Oh, shit. All right, let's go. Doesn't that sound good? All right. Oh, that sounds perfect. Oh, that sounds beautiful. I love nature, but what the fuck is this? Fucking dog shit. Oh my god, where the frick? I don't stand. Oh my god, I just don't understand now. All right, she's gonna put in my car. Stop. Oh my god. Go. Slow. Oh my. Okay. Oh my god. All right, guys, we're about to install in the Plenum spacer. My friend's here again, and so here's what the package comes with. It comes with all the hardware. You're gonna be reusing some of the factory bolts, so don't think this covers everything. It comes with some pretty clear instructions. Here's a glorious Plenum spacer, nice and padded. But you get the image right here of the Plenum spacer, and it numbers each bolt. And so right here it tells you what to replace. For example, replace 1, 3, and 6 with the supplied M6. Then you just go here, 1, 3, and 6. Alright, so basically we're gonna remove the intake once again, and then it's pretty simple. Take off the plenum, the upper top, put in the spacer. Alright guys, we're starting off the project. First you're gonna start off by removing your intake, which is right over there, piece of shit. And then we're gonna we're gonna take off the throttle body, which he's doing right now. They're just 4 screws. I think when you see your throttle body, I think you'll know what 4 screws I'm talking about. It's kind of like a frame. I think they're the only 4 bolts they have on there. 5mm Allen wrench for that throttle body. Alright guys, fuck, copyright infringement. Alright guys, so a couple things here. The throttle body has a connector there. We're not going to remove it due to some potential issues that could happen, apparently, theoretically. Right, we're not sure. But he did take off this hose right there. Oh, fuck, right there. And then the one at the bottom right there. 2 hoses. Alright, and then we'll continue. Alright guys, so now we're going to take off the screws of the plenum. And here he marked in numbers just like as in the instructions. And so we're just going to take them off. You could only see it with the light. We got like some freaking secret hidden marker. I don't know why. But
no marker.
I know. Some FBI marker shit. Alright, he's taking out bolt number 1. First pick for the Plenum draft. It's a little hard based on visual evidence. So before you guys begin this Plenum spacer, please work out. You guys need to be strong. If you guys are not strong, contact a local bodybuilder. Alright,
yeah,
perfect.
Definitely not.
Alright, now we're removing the bolts from the outside.
It's just a bracket.
Perfect.
Just put that there.
I don't know if Motordam provides an instruction like this. I hope they do.
9.
He just took out number 9. But this makes it way easy, man. It just lays out everything and you could just find it right there. Super easy. I don't even think you guys need this video because these instructions are pretty clear. Like, this is first grade English. Like, if you don't understand this, like, you got a problem. And also lay it out like Ross just did. Like, I probably wouldn't have done this, so he's pretty smart for this. You know, grab a foam or a piece of paper, label it with all the numbers, copy this layout, and just lay out the factory bolts in there. So right now we took off the plenum. So the gasket you guys see at the bottom, we're going to be reusing that for the bottom, and the ones they provided is the one we're going to be using on top. The spacer is angled. You guys don't know what way it goes. There's only one direction, so don't get confused. And yeah, there you go. It goes from 5/16 to 1/2, I believe. So now we're just basically going to replace this order. These are all the OEM bolts, and now we're gonna follow those instructions. We're gonna replace the ones they instructed us to replace. So you have a couple of M12 flat washers. You have bonded sealed washers. So you're going to be, so these bolts that we took off were 3/1 and 6, these factory ones. We're gonna be dropping them down to this row right here, and then putting a bonded seal on those factory bolts. And then the ones they supplied, the 3 long ones, the M670 ones, you will be putting on the 3/1 and 6. This is for the Z1 spacer. This is not gonna probably apply to like a Motordyne one or a Blocks one. So this is specifically to the Z1. These studs right here, you guys see on the side right here, this one, it used to pop out, right, and there was a bolt holding them, but those, we're not going to be using bolts no more. The instruction says they're no longer going to be used. We're basically just putting all the outside bolts. Those are the M6 40mm bolts, and we put a flat washer, the M6 flat washer. As you guys notice, he's hand tightening all the bolts just to make sure you don't cross thread them forward, and then everything else you just put back together, the throttle body. Alright guys, it is the next day. I'm gonna see how it performs with the Plenum spacer. I haven't even driven it yet since we installed it yesterday, so hopefully everything goes alright. I have to run to school. We're late. I have to go grab my girlfriend, get her some breakfast, and I gotta go drop off my little brother. Do you guys have like trypophobia or typophobia or whatever? Yeah. Like those, what the fuck? Okay, that's much better. Alright guys, so I just dropped off my little brother. Kind of gone through some backstreet streets like this, look, like residential stuff right there, like that. I kept it under 25, you know, because there's a lot of kids, it's a school zone. But even at 25, you know, you 30, 25, 30, I felt a difference, guys. No joke, no joke. But I was reading this comment that said everybody feels their first mod at the very beginning, but after a couple days, once you get used to it, you're back to square one, right? And I think that's gonna be the case. I'm about to enter the freeway right here to go to school. Let's see how it kind of responds to the fuck, holy shit, hella traffic.
Why you go this way?
This is the way I go. Holy, okay, hold up guys. Emergency. Okay, we're gonna do a pull right here. It's more than the intake for sure. I told you I felt something a little bit from the intake, but this for sure, for a fact, you definitely feel something. I can't tell you. I know Motordyne is really good, but I don't know about the Blocks one. I went ahead and tried the Z1. This is the one I installed in my car. Alright guys, so from lower, like the lower end part, you definitely feel something. I did a pull from like entering the freeway, so like a lower end. Now we're going currently 65 right now. We're gonna do a pull to 80 right here to my exit. Hopefully I don't crash. Here we go. Oh shit, look at the car next to us. He got dusted. You saw the car next to us? Oh shit, I actually, legit, I felt it. Oh fuck, okay, hold up. Fuck, I need better brakes. Oh shit, okay. Alright. I was stepping it enough to kind of get it into the dirt. You know, I was kind of stepping it barely to get there, and I felt it a little bit. I told you guys, like, I feel it, but I really kind of stomped on it right now. Holy shit, that was pretty sick. No lie, no joke, that was pretty sick, bro. If that wasn't enough to convince you to get a Plenum spacer, just sell your car, bro. Sell your car, bro. Right here, a little pool. You asked for my recommendation. I'm just gonna say either go with Z1, just because it's been awesome to me, at least for right now, the first drive ever, or you can go with Motordyne. I hear a lot of great stuff about them. I haven't heard a lot about Blocks, so you know, make your own judgment call. Blocks, of course, is your more budget side. I think they're only $100, Z1's kind of the middle one. It's around $200 overall, like with tax and everything. Motordyne is the more expensive one, is like $250. So you know, you do your pick, but dude, I'm satisfied with the Z1 Plenum spacer. Oh shit. Okay. Oh shit. Oh no, definitely guys, no joke, top end, that's where it's at. Not low end. You could still feel it low end. Top end, you do feel it. It goes like, and then when you reach top end, you're like, oh shit. It's kind of like you reach orgasm, because it's like so satisfying, because it's like pulling, bro. I don't know what I'm gonna install this weekend. Either my steering wheel, I talked to Zeculus, that centerpiece should come this Friday, so I don't know if I'm gonna install my steering wheel or if I'm gonna install my exhaust. Either way, both installs will be exciting. I can't wait to see you guys there. We have to go to school. All right guys, so it's the next day. We're here at Shell. I just kind of wanted to recap kind of what we did, just for you guys who are maybe confused. We began by taking off this intake. We just loosened up this bracket right here, take off the whole intake. You take off these 4 screws. There's screws right here. This one's 1. There's 4 of them around the whole throttle body. You remove the whole throttle body. Then there's like 3 hoses down there. I don't know why I'm even saying this. There's a whole diagram. The whole video was pretty clear, I think. But yeah, it looks nice, no problem so far. And all right guys, so before I let you guys go, I'm gonna do this little hack here at my school. I have the gift card, right? I tried an expired credit card or debit card. It didn't work, so I got a gift card. I hear that's the key to this machine. A day pass here in parking is $10. I don't want to buy the parking permits for a month. I already spent $10 Monday, Tuesday, so I should have only $5 here in this gift card. And if it works, I'm gonna be so damn happy. Hold up. All right, here's the gift card. Here's the machine. Hopefully. 1 charge per hour per card. What the fuck? This might have not worked. Guys, what the fuck? 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 Babe, it actually fucking worked.
Wow.
It legit fucking worked.
Wow.
What the... Anyways, guys, I'll catch you guys next video. The Plenum spacer, to me, overall, freaking... Not overall, in general, at the beginning, at the end, it's definitely worth it, guys. If you have a G, go get yourself a Plenum spacer. Please, go get yourself a Plenum spacer. Anyways, guys, hope you guys like this fucking video. Show me by clicking that thumbs up in the bottom. And I'll catch you guys next video this weekend for another install. Either my steering wheel or my exhaust. Let me know what you guys want to see in the description, in the fucking comment section. Damn, I don't know how to talk, but I gotta go to class. Thank you guys so much for the support.